Bangkok in Thailand is a metropolis with a great history and an interesting place to visit. Join us on our exploration tour. Hey guys, what's up? We are Henny and Joseph. We enjoy traveling and are fascinated by places with seas, beaches and rivers. In this video we tell you something about our visit to Bangkok in Thailand. We made a second video in Bangkok about our boat trip through the Klongs and visit to a floating market. You find the link at the end and below this video. Enjoy! An exciting metropolis, a dynamic river, a vibrant nightlife, many sights and delicious food. That is Bangkok. We arrived at the Suvarna Bhumi International Airport. This is a modern and well-organized airport. From there it is easy to take the airport rail link, which brings you in 25 minutes to the center of Bangkok. Looking outside, you immediately get a sense of what to expect in this city. For the trains within Bangkok city, a cheap transport card called Rabbit is available. A ride with this card often costs just 1 or 2 euros. Nestled along the banks of the Chao Phraya river, the vibrant and bustling metropolis of Bangkok, Thailand stands as a testament to the nation's rich history and dynamic culture. Where the name Bangkok comes from is unclear, but it is not the official name of the city and mainly used by foreigners. Here follows the official name and its translation. The city is now officially known in Thai by a shortened form, Krung Thep Mahanakhon, which is further shortened to Krung Thep, City of Gods. Originally a small trading post during the Ayutthaya kingdom, it rose to prominence in the late 18th century when King Rama I relocated the capital there after the fall of the Ayutthaya and Burmese invaders. Today, Bangkok is a modern marvel, a city where skyscrapers and shopping malls coexist harmoniously with ancient temples and vibrant markets. The capital of Thailand has about 11 million inhabitants. The region has about 21 million, and that puts the region in the top 20 of the largest in the world. We booked a room in a hotel on Silom Road in the same neighborhood. This turned out to be a great place to stay. All sites are within easy reach. The nearby Chatrium Krung Road is a busy, typical Thai shopping street. It has everything you can expect there. Restaurants, massage parlours, large and smaller shops and lots of street food vendors. We have been there both during the day and in the evening, and both times the trade and crowds continue unabated. Close by on Silom Road was the Sri Maha Mariamman Temple, the most important Hindu temple in Bangkok. We just saw the impressive outside. Everyone knows Thai massages, but we were surprised that there are at least 2 or more branches in every street. The Chao Phraya River and the integrated network of klongs are the lifeblood of Bangkok. A cruise along the river offers glimpses of both the city's historic landmark and its modern skyline. The western side of the river retains a more traditional view, with stilted houses lining the clumps, reminiscent of a bygone era. Visitors can explore the aquatic world by taking a long-tail boat ride through the klongs, where they can witness the daily lives of locals and discover hidden temples and markets along the waterways. Watch our video, boat trip and visit to a floating market. The wiring is generally not yet put into the ground in Thailand. This leads to an incredible network of wires and poles. You also see men working in those poles. You should have to find a broken thread. Not doable, I guess. The Grand Palace district is a must visit in Bangkok. Over the centuries, Bangkok witnesses the grandeur of Siamese monarchs who adorned the city with magnificent palaces and temples. The Royal Grand Palace and Wat Po remain as awe-inspiring reminders of this rich heritage. The Grand Palace is one of the most iconic and historically significant landmarks in the country. It is a complex of buildings that has served as the official residence of the kings of Siam since its construction in 1782. Next to the Grand Palace is the Temple of Wat Po, the Temple of the Reclining Buddha. We visited it with its main attraction, a gigantic lying Buddha. You'll also find the National Museum of Bangkok and the Siam Museum in this area. In June 2022, Thailand's Food and Drug Administration officially took cannabis off the narcotics list, making possession and consumption of cannabis legal. Since then, thousands of cannabis shops have opened. You see them in every street. Taking a tuk-tuk is a cheap way of traveling inside the city. Short distances of around 2 to 3 kilometers cost 200 baht or €5.50. The city's nightlife is legendary, catering to night owls from all corners of the globe. Soi Silom too is one of the most well-known districts, attracting both locals and tourists. It is known for its open-minded and inclusive atmosphere. The streets comes alive in the evening with music, drinks and a lively atmosphere. It's fascinating to see how many Thai girls and boys try to bring you into one of the bars and clubs. We were in Thailand in the rainy season, so you expect rain. On one of the days, so much fell in 2 hours that half the city was flooded. Many streets became rivers in a short time. It took about 3 hours before the roads were passable again. Okay, we'll back a little bit. And or take the... Chinatown, also known as Chao Warat, is a vibrant and bustling neighborhood located in the heart of Bangkok. It is one of the largest and most well-known Chinatowns in the world, and it offers a unique blend of Thai and Chinese culture, cuisine and history. Chinatown has a rich history dating back to the early 19th century when Chinese immigrants settled in the area. Chinatown is renowned for its incredible street food scene. We were here on a Sunday night and there were an incredible number of people and activities. On the last evening we went to an authentic old Thai restaurant named Hotpot. No foreigners and the waiters just speaking Thai. It had a surprisingly industrial decor and the food was fantastic. We paid 18 euros for two including drinks. And the next morning to Bangkok airport for the flight to Phuket. Watch our videos about our discovery tours there. What truly sets Bangkok apart is its magnetic charisma, an irresistible blend of modernity and tradition, where centuries-old customs and cutting-edge innovations coalesce. Bangkok's allure lies in the ability to astonish with its skyscrapers, but at the same time with its humble street food stalls. In this captivating city, every corner unveils a new facet of Thailand's enchanting tapestry. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and press on the like button.